Namaste. So today we will be doing Virbhadrasana or warrior pose. So let us see how to do this asana. So first, stand in Tadasana like this. Then place your hands in a waist and spread your legs apart to 4 or 4.5 feet like this. And after this, you need to turn your right foot 90 degrees to the right. Rotate your left foot slightly to the right and twist your whole upper body towards your right leg. After this, extend your hands up. Start pushing your hips, pushing your pelvis down, and bend the right knee up to 90 degrees. Then throw your head up and look at your thumbs. Hold the posture for 20 seconds to half a minute. And slowly come back, bring your hands down to your waist. Rotate your feet back to the previous position. And after this, you need to repeat the same things on the left side. Hurry up.